Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and we're back again with another tutorial video. So for this video, I'll be teaching you on how to delete your Google account. But first, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. So to start, we'll have to go to my Google account, Google browser, and then here let's click on my profile and then click on the manage Google account, and then here go to the data and privacy, and then let's scroll down and look for the delete your Google account option, and then here you have to type your password. Then here you'll have the option to download your data before deleting your account. And then after downloading the data, if you want to download your data, just go ahead and put a check mark on these two bars at the bottom. After that, just scroll down and click on the delete account if you really want to delete your account. Then after deleting your account, you only have 30 days to recover your Google account. So that's how you delete a Google account. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you on our next video.